Here I have VIVO Y11s, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google backup feature on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, scroll down to the bottom, go to the Google section, backup. Then you have to enable this feature backup to Google Drive, and what you have to do next is to add your Google account. You will of course need internet connection for this. Enter your email or phone number. Next, enter your password, and then tap next. Then you have to agree with Google's terms of service and privacy policy, and for the last thing what you have to do is to tap accept here, and your device will be ready to be backupped. So thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.